Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a very common DevOps interview question. How do you integrate Terraform with CI/CD pipelines? Let's break it down in simple terms with a real-world flow. Your company wants to automate Terraform. Instead of running Terraform apply manually, they want the whole process to happen automatically through a CI/CD pipeline whenever code changes. Sounds familiar, right? Part 2, the flow. Here's the step-by-step flow you can explain in an interview. First, we keep all Terraform configuration files in Git. Version control is the foundation. Next, we set up a CI/CD pipeline. It could be Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI that triggers whenever Terraform code changes. Inside the pipeline, we run commands like Terraform init, Terraform validate, and Terraform plan to check formatting, validate the code, and generate an execution plan. Once the plan is approved, the pipeline runs Terraform apply to actually provision or update the infrastructure. We can also add infrastructure tests or policy checks, for example, tools like TerraTest or Checkov to ensure compliance. Finally, once the infra is ready, the pipeline can trigger additional stages like app deployment or testing on top of that infra. Part 3, real-world best practices. In the real world, there are some best practices you should mention. Use remote state backends like S3 with DynamoDB or Terraform Cloud for state management. Use approval gates. Plan runs on PRs, apply only runs on main after review. Avoid long-lived secrets. Use OIDC or Vault for authentication. Always separate environments, dev, stage, prod with workspaces, or separate pipelines. Conclusion. So in an interview, if they ask this question, keep your answer structured. Code in Git, pipeline triggers, init validate plan, approval, apply, testing, and release. That's it. You've shown you understand both the CI/CD workflow and the Terraform best practices. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your DevOps buddies. And drop a comment below if you want me to cover real-time Terraform CI/CD demos with GitHub Actions or Jenkins.